Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss why is my Samsung Smart TV not showing picture and simple yet effective ways to fix it. Number 1. Check the standby LED. Ensure the red standby light is on. If not, unplug the TV, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Number 2. Verify input source. Press the home button on your remote. If the menu appears, the TV is on but may not be set to the correct input. Number 3. Test HDMI cable. Navigate to Settings, Sport, Device Care, Self-Diagnosis, Signal Information, HDMI cable test and follow the on-screen instructions. Number 4. Try different devices. Connect a different device or use another HDMI port to rule out external device issues. Number 5. Perform a soft reset. Hold the power button on the remote for about 5 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. Number 6. Factory reset. If the issue persists, go to Settings, General, Reset, enter the pin. The default is 0000 and follow prompts. Thanks for watching.